Identifying solutions to a linear inequality in two variables. These are problems where we're going to be plugging in our x's and y's and seeing if we end up with a true statement. So just remember your points. Your x is always the first value. Your y is always the second one. When we're plugging it into the equation, we are going to use parentheses generally. So I'm going to go 3. And for the first one, I'm plugging in an 8 for the x minus 7, I'm plugging in a 5 for the y, and I'm going to hope that it's less than or equal to 10. So I'm really going to be working on the left side doing all of that, simplifying. 3 times 8 is 24, minus 7 times 5 is 35, and I need to know if it's less than 10, so I'm going to keep doing this. 24 minus 35, so 35, 24, there's 11 between them. The 35 is bigger, so it's a negative. And then is that less than or equal to 10? So negative is smaller than a positive, so this is a yes. All right, if you need to, put it on the number line. We're always looking for, I always think of a number line, even if I don't write the number line. All right, so for the second one, I'm plugging in a 4 for x. So I have 3 times 4 minus 7, and I'm putting in a negative 2 for y, and I want to know if that's less than or equal to 10. Doing the work, I have 12. A negative 7 times a negative 2 is a 14, so plus 14. Is that less than or equal to 10? So I have 24 is definitely not smaller than 10, so this is a no. This is a no. All right, getting there, making progress. The third one, we're plugging in a negative 6 for x and a negative 4 for y. I'm going to do it over here. So 3 times negative 6 minus 7 times negative 4. Is that less than or equal to 10? So we have a negative 18. Negative 7 times negative 4 is going to be a positive 28. And is it less than or equal to 10? So I have to make sure that I remember those inequalities. If there's a line underneath it, it could be the same. So 18 and 28. So 28 minus 18 is 10. And 10 is actually equal to 10. But since I have the line underneath it, it is valid. So that is an equal to. So that is a yes. And then the last one is I get to plug in an 8 and a 0. I love plugging in zeros. They're less work. 3, I'm 4 for x, minus 7 times 0, is that less than or equal to 10? So 3 times 4 is 12, minus 7 times 0 is 0, that I put in there wrong. We are going to fix this. 3 times 8, always careful on writing the actual numbers that you have. Alex and all math online homework will not know if you intended to write something else. So 3 times 8 is 24, and then less than or equal to 10. So 24 is bigger than 10. It is definitely not less than, so that is a no. All right.